If you want to connect your OnePlus 15R to PC and transfer data, then we have two ways to do so. The first method is to simply use a USB cable and connect your OnePlus 15R to computer. So if you have USB cable that you can use to connect your phone to your computer, then you can easily do so just like that. Of course, first you will see that you are charging the phone, but what you can do is you can tap on charging this device via USB and you can switch to file transfer / Android Auto, just like that. After that, you can find your OnePlus 15R on your computer. You can go to the storage and you can find all of the folders that you have on your phone with all files inside, like your photos, videos, documents, audio files, and everything else. And you can easily transfer from the phone to your computer or the other way around. The second way to transfer data is by using the OnePlus Connect app. If we go to settings and choose device connect, then over here we can choose PC, and here in multi-screen connect we can find the OnePlus Connect, and you can download the app on your computer. You can go to connect.oppo.com and you can find it for Windows and Mac OS. Ideally, you want to use your OnePlus account and sign into this account over here, and it's gonna be just much easier and much more convenient to connect your phone to your computer. So now on the phone we can go ahead and choose add new device, and then you should be able to find your computer in here. In case you don't want to use OnePlus account, you can use the QR code scanner, and the QR code can be generated at the bottom over here. If you are not signed in, you will have the connect manually option. In my case, I have my computer already over here, so I can just connect to it just like that, and then on the computer it looks like this. We have our OnePlus 15R, and we can go to files and we can easily find everything: photos, videos, audio files, and so on and so forth. And if I want to get something, I can, for example, right click again, I can choose to save it to PC, and we can also import files in here quite easily. We have the transfer history, we have all these different categories, so it's really easy to transfer files between these two devices, between your OnePlus 15R and your PC. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.